In my hand are 4 of the best Amex cards that you can get. The Amex Platinum, Gold, Green, and Blue Business Plus. And the thing that makes them so great is not only can you earn points very quickly, but the points they earn, called membership rewards points, are some of the most valuable for travel because they have so many different ways to use them. And the reason why that's so great is because it means your next trip or vacation could cost you a whole lot less money. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 ways to redeem your Amex points for travel, everything from airfare, hotels, rental cars, etc. That way you will be able to have a lot more money in your pocket once you get home from your trip. So let's get this show on the road. All right, so the first thing that you have to know before we get into the redemption methods is where to go inside of your Amex account to access all your points. And Amex gives you at least 3 ways to do this. So here on the screen, you can see the menu up here in the top left-hand side. If you click that, you can then go down to rewards and benefits and then see your membership rewards points here. Also go to your dashboard, and then there's also this travel option to book a trip and a few of the other options that we'll explore too. Outside of that, you can also go to rewards and benefits here at the top or down to explore rewards. All 3 will ultimately get you to the same place. So with that context in place, the first redemption method we're going to look at here is the Amex Travel Portal, where you can book flights, hotels, flight and hotel packages, cars, meaning rental cars, and cruises. So to do that, I'm going to go to the menu here at the top, down to travel, and then over to book a trip. And here you're going to see a very similar looking portal like you would see with Travelocity, Expedia, Kayak, any of those other third-party portal sites, where here at the top you've got the tabs for flights, hotels, then your hotel and flight packages, cars, and cruises. So for example, if I wanted to do a hotel here, I could just type in the destination like Miami. It gives you suggested results. So I'm gonna choose Miami Beach for this city. I'll go for a check-in date of March 14 through 15 for 1 night. Done, and search. You'll then be brought to the results page here where you can see all the different properties that come up. You also have your filters. So I can search by hotel or brand name, narrow it down by the star rating, the price that I'm willing to spend. Again, filter by the program if you want some special collection type of hotels, the neighborhoods, the amenities that may be included, by policy of the hotel, or accessibility options too. Once you find the hotel, flight, rental car, etc. that you like, just click on the select button here. You'll then be able to see more information, additional pictures about the booking itself, and then go through the rest of the process. For example, in this room here, I'm going to choose to book that room. And here you'll have the typical checkout process. So add yourself as one of the travelers, put in all your contact information, say how you're going to pay, for example, using your card, all the terms, policies there, and then you'll book right there. And all the breakdown of the cost will be listed as well, that we can see what the taxes are, etc. The second redemption method that we're going to take a look at is called the Hotel Collection, or THC, which allows you to book hotels that are classified as both upscale and luxury, and you'll have to have one of the 3 cards listed there on the right-hand side, the Amex Centurion card, the Amex Platinum Card, or the Amex Gold Card, be it personal or business, in order to book any of these properties. And while you may see some of these properties blended in with other search results in the regular portal, it also has its own separate portal within your Amex account. So to access THC hotels, again, go to menu, down to travel, and then you'll see the option right across from there called Book the Hotel Collection. Just go ahead and click on that. You'll then be brought to another place where you can search for these properties. And what's really cool about the THC collection here is that there are special perks. So you can see right here, you must stay 2 or more consecutive nights. That is required, and once you do so, you will receive a $100 experience credit to spend on qualifying dining, spa, and resort activities. You may also receive a room upgrade at check-in if available, and sometimes additional properties might have additional benefits. So as I scroll down further here, for example, at this Baker's Cay Resort in Key Largo, there's a complimentary 3rd night that's also included here, including some breakfast benefits or whatever else may be. So those additional benefits will also be listed out if they're available at select properties. Below that, you'll also have the terms and conditions for this program, so definitely read over those to be more familiar with certain things that may or may not be eligible. Now, back here at the top, let's go ahead and do another search. For example, let's actually do Los Angeles this time for the other coast. We'll go to West Hollywood, checking in on March 20th. And notice how I cannot do the 20th through the 21st, because again, you have to have 2 consecutive nights. So you can't make the mistake even if you tried to, which is actually kind of nice. It's foolproof. So I'll go March 20th through 22nd, done, and then search. And here we've got our results page with all the different properties that participate in the hotel collection. Basically, as we saw on the previous screen, it's already got this little filter selected to only show these hotels. It also shows you, for example, your perks, your room upgrade, your $100 on-site credit, anything else that may qualify. Once again, you got to have a minimum of 5,000 membership rewards points if you want to pay with points and or cash. You can do a blend of however you like. So it's either all cash, all points, or cash and points. As you go through the checkout process, you'll be able to select how many points you want to use, assuming you have enough. Quick pause. Did you know that a great way to earn Amex points faster is with multiple Amex credit cards? It's true. And did you also know that Amex by default combines all the points earned across all these cards into one account balance? As awesome as that is, it's still kind of stressful to manage different card balances, due dates, benefits, and more. So if you want one dashboard to rule them all, check out today's sponsor called MAXREWARDS. MAXREWARDS is an app that allows you to manage your credit cards, rewards, and benefits all in one place. This includes seeing when your bills are due, tracking your sign-up bonuses, monitoring your credit scores, and more. On the Activity tab, you can view the transactions across all your cards to easily see where you've been spending your money, including the value of the rewards you've earned across different categories. Then the Best Card tab helps you identify which card to use for different purchases. That way you can earn points or cash back even faster. And perhaps my favorite feature is the Benefits and Offers dashboard, which you can unlock with the gold level of MAXREWARDS. Each time you sync the app, all of your offers will be activated automatically, including the hidden ones from Amex that you didn't even know about. So if you'd like to try MAXREWARDS, use the link down below in the description to get the gold level entirely free for your first month. On to our third redemption method, which is called the Fine Hotels and Resorts Program, or FHR for short. This allows you to book hotels that are pretty much 5-star luxury properties, and you will have to have the Amex Centurion card or Amex Platinum Card, again, be it business or personal versions, in order to book these hotels. Again, you can do a general search and use those filters on the left-hand side to narrow them down, or go to your account, back to the menu, over to travel, and then book Fine Hotels and Resorts. Now, the really cool thing about this program is that it gives you a lot of additional benefits here. So you can see across the bottom horizontal row, you'll be able to get, again, assuming they're available, a room upgrade upon check-in, daily breakfast for 2 people, guaranteed 4 p.m. late checkout, noon check-in when available, complimentary Wi-Fi, and some sort of experience credit. For example, a credit to use a spa or food and beverage on site at the property. There may be some additional benefits that are also going to be spelled out as you search. For example, here's some featured special offers. This one, it gives you a complimentary 3rd night. This one gives you a complimentary 4th night at that property. You may also see things like a 25% discount on the nightly room rate on select rooms, and more as you search. So certain properties do publish their own special perks. As you scroll down further, you'll also see the terms and conditions for the FHR program. You might want to read over that paragraph too. That way, again, you're more familiar with the program, what may work, what may not work. Now let's go over the 4th redemption option called Transfer Partners, or as Amex labels it, the Transfer Points feature. This allows you to move your points from Amex over to other programs, including airlines and hotels. To view this option, I'm going to go over to the Rewards and Benefits tab here at the very top. And once the next page loads, we're going to scroll down a little bit to another section called Ready to Redeem. You'll see a bunch of other redemption options here too, but we're going to click on Transfer Points. And here is where the magic happens. You'll have a nice scrollable list of all the different programs with which Amex partners, a bunch of airlines, several hotel companies as well, and it shows you the ratios on the right-hand side. For example, 1,000 points equals 1,000 points or miles, or something else based on the agreed upon rate that Amex has with that partner. Also the terms down there too. So the way this works is you first want to open a rewards or loyalty account with the airline or with the hotel program as your first step. You'll then have an account number with that airline or with that hotel. then you'll be able to use that account or loyalty number and tell Amex what it is, so that way they can basically link and start talking to each other, and you'll be able to move points from Amex to the partner. You'll notice here that I've already done this for British Airways, Delta Airlines, and JetBlue. So to show you quickly how it works with another program, they all follow a similar format. We'll go ahead and link my Hilton Honors account. So when you find one that you want to use, go ahead and click on the arrow here to expand the options. Then you'll enter your partner account number. So I'm going to enter my Hilton Honors account number right there. Then click on continue. Here, Amex is going to do a security verification, asking for the 3-digit card security code on the back of my green card in this case. It might ask you for some other card that you have on file with them. So I'm going to go grab my card, type in these digits to confirm this, and then we'll move on to the next step by hitting continue. And now it says that my request is processing, and just like that, it has now been successfully linked. So I can now move Amex points over to Hilton at the ratio that is agreed here, which is a 1-to-2 ratio. So for every 1,000 Amex points I move over, that will become 2,000 Hilton points. To do that, I can click on Get Started. And sadly, I don't have enough points to actually demonstrate this, because right now I only have 936 membership awards points. But all you would do is type in or use this slider here to say how many points you want to move over. Then make sure that your Hilton account is selected right here, and then say review transfer to make sure it all is going to, be what you want it to be, and then one more confirmation page. And allow me to pause right here and make it very clear to everybody out there, if you're new to this world of transfer partners, just because you saw a 1-to-2 ratio where 1,000 Amex points became 2,000 Hilton points, that does not necessarily represent a good value. A very good chance of it actually being a poor value. So if you want to understand transfer partners, how to maximize the value, what's a good value, what's a bad value, there's actually quite a bit of strategy, planning, and math involved. So I want you to watch this other video after this one. It's a great beginner's guide to the world of transfer partners, and will clear a lot of questions that you may have, because unlike the other options that all have set values, transfer partners can have tons of variable values, and to understand how to really make it work in your favor, you got to understand those concepts. So be sure to watch that intro video. And for our 5th redemption options, let's discuss upgrades, which Amex calls the upgrade your flight with points feature, and this currently works for airlines. Still here on the rewards and benefits tab, we'll again scroll down, and this time we'll go over to book or upgrade travel. On this tab, move down the page just a little bit, and you'll see an option to explore upgrades, and click on that link. Once on this page, you'll notice something a little bit quirky about this. It's not quite a perfect program yet. There are a lot of small little nuances to be aware of. For example, you can use your membership rewards points towards great deals and upgrades with over 20 participating airlines. So this will not work whenever, however you want. Here's how it works. First, select your airline below. There's a whole list of them, by the way. Enter your reservation details, meaning you've already booked your flight, to see if your itinerary is eligible to upgrade. Then, if eligible, use your membership rewards points to place an offer towards an upgrade. And finally, you'll find out via email whether or not the airline accepts your upgrade offer, usually within about 5 days of your flight. And unfortunately, again, there are only 20 airlines here at this time as I'm making this video, and they are all international airlines. Hopefully we'll see something, domestic, AA, United, Delta, etc. in the future. I don't know, but that's all there is so far. But nonetheless, hey, if you're doing some sort of international trip, this could still be a useful option for you. If you're in coach, you want to move up to premium economy or business or first or something like that. And there you have it, the 5 major redemption options for travel using your Amex membership rewards points. But I want to make it clear as well that these are not all created equal. In fact, you may get a different value for your points based on the option that you choose. So here is a very helpful chart that I made for you all, showing you the different point values, at least at this moment in time as I record this. And it's my hope that this will help guide you to the best redemption options for what you want to accomplish on your future trips. As an example, for the Amex Travel Portal, you may get 0.7 cents up to 1 full cent per point. For example, where 10,000 points is equal to $70 to $100 in the following areas that we discussed. For the hotel collection, it's also 0.7 cents per point. Fine Hotels and Resorts is the full 1 cent per point. Transfer Partners gives you a totally variable value because, again, remember, you're moving points to a separate program subject to different rules and different values. And for those upgrades, those are also 1 cent per point. Feel free to pause this screen if you'd like to look over a bit longer. And out of all those different redemption options that we covered, there is one that stands head and shoulders above all the others, which is Transfer Partners. And the reason for that, it is the only redemption option that gives you the potential to get 2 cents per point, 3 cents per point, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cents per point once you learn how to maximize them strategically on the right itineraries. That's why I again stress so much to watch the intro video and learn how to use them to your advantage. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards, rewards, and benefits all in one place, and to view my site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, always remember that you are great.